United Oil and Gas plc has identified potential thermogenic hydrocarbons in offshore samples from its Walton Morant license, signaling further evidence of an active petroleum system in Jamaica. In a statement released Wednesday, the company said analysis of piston core samples collected during its seabed geochemical exploration survey detected C4 and C5 hydrocarbons, including butanes and pentanes, in select locations. According to the company, these types of hydrocarbons are typically associated with thermogenic processes rather than biogenic gas systems, suggesting the possible presence of deeper oil and gas sources. The findings are based on geochemical analysis of 42 piston core samples taken across the license area offshore Jamaica. United Oil and Gas noted that the results add to existing evidence of supporting petroleum potential in the region, including satellite-detected oil slicks, data from previous wells, natural oil seeps, and surface outcrops. The company adds that petroleum system modeling also indicates the likelihood of oil-mature source rocks within the license area.